Have you ever looked at your tomato plants and wondered what happened? The plants are big and healthy and full of leaves, but there just aren't many tomatoes. It's one of the most common frustrations that gardeners face in the middle of summer. So the good news is that the tomato plants are usually trying to tell you something, and once you understand what they're asking for, you can often get production back on track, and it usually boils down to only 3 reasons. So the first reason is heat stress. So tomatoes love warm weather, but when the daytime temperatures climb into the 90s and the night temperatures stay above 70, tomato blossoms often stop setting fruit. So the flowers may bloom, but instead of producing tomatoes, they just simply drop off. The plant is protecting itself until temperatures become more favorable. So there's not much we can do to change the weather, but we can reduce the stress on the plant. So keeping the soil evenly moist, maintaining a good layer of mulch to keep the roots cooler, and avoiding heavy pruning during these periods of extreme heat. As the temperatures moderate, many tomato plants will begin setting fruit again. The second reason is inconsistent watering. So tomato plants like steady moisture, and if the soil swings from very dry to very wet, the plants become stressed. And that stress can lead to blossom drop, cracked fruit, blossom end rot, and reduced production. So the solution is consistency. Water deeply instead of lightly. Keep the soil covered with mulch and build soil that is rich in organic matter so it can hold moisture between waterings. So healthy roots produce healthier tomato plants. The third reason is too much nitrogen. So nitrogen is wonderful early in the season because it helps the plants grow strong stems and healthy leaves. But too much nitrogen later in the season tells the plant to keep making leaves instead of making tomatoes. So if your plants are huge, dark green, and beautiful but aren't producing much fruit, excessive nitrogen may be part of the problem. So you want to ease back on the high nitrogen fertilizers and switch to a fruit and flower fertilizer that encourages blossoms and fruit production. So at this point in the season, the goal isn't bigger plants, it's more tomatoes. The key takeaways from this video are keep the roots cool with mulch, keep the soil evenly moist, and feed the plants with fruit and flower fertilizer. So those are the 3 things that can make a remarkable difference in your tomato harvest. And that's exactly what the Abundance Garden System is designed to do. So instead of chasing one problem after another, you build a garden where the soil, the plants, and the biology all work together. And that's when the garden becomes easier, more productive, and more enjoyable. So that's exactly why I created the free guide, Grow More Food with Less Work, the 8-Step Abundance Garden System. When the Abundance Garden System is in place, the garden starts to feel like it is finally working with you instead of against you. Create the garden of your dreams by learning the Abundance Garden System. You'll find the link in the description below.